Hey guys, today I saw this video on the internet where someone used these paints through this funnel onto a canvas and made a very beautiful painting. So decided to give it a try myself. So what I ended up getting is a small canvas and these paints. They're all acrylic paints, not sure how to pronounce that. I've got one in turquoise, one in scarlet red. This is plain white, a deep yellow, a light green, violet, and I believe that's black, and that is black. So I tend to have this on the outer, so that will go first, and then I will have one by one each into this funnel. So the idea is to fill up this funnel and then let go so the paints come out, and we'll see how that will look onto this canvas. So let's give it a try. White paint first. Let me rinse all. Just give it a good shake to all these bottles, because prior to starting, and this is how I intend on using. So let's see, let's start with the black first. That's plenty of black. Let me put some blue. I think I put too much black, but that's okay. Let me put some deep yellow. That's enough. Deep yellow. Some green. Not sure if I should maybe put some water into these. Some purple. I don't think I have put white yet. So some white goes in, and some red. Oh wow. Okay, that's a lot of paint. Now I'm gonna get lifted up and let's see how it looks. Okay, well, I should have put some water into it, because I can see different colors coming, but not as I hope they should. I wanted them to come in a different shape, but they're all not. I wanted this to be look like more like this, but okay, never mind. Failed experiment. Okay, so that's more like, see, all the paint just stayed in. Should have been water based or what? Okay, let's see. Let me put this to the side. Let's see if I can just, well, it's not as bad. Was expecting much different than it's coming out okay. I was expecting different than, you know, it is giving some abstract pattern to it. was hoping it to be more than just this. Shaking it. I wish I could just probably show it. So it's come out looking something like this. Not bad. Wasn't as good as I was expecting, but I can still see something. Let me get some paper towel. I think I need to let it sit for a while because it's not equally thick layers. So I am not